Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and in this video we'll talk about the notebook panel in the StraboField app. On the top right of my screen here, I can see the notebook icon. I'm going to tap that and it opens this view. These are all of my recent spots. I'll go into SD1, and this is a summary of all the data I've collected in that spot. So right now I don't have any data in this spot. And if I can't find the spot on my map here, what I can do is click the three dots on the top right corner and zoom to this spot. And that will pan over. There we are. So at the bottom of the notebook here, we have these different pages. So I'll go over some of the basic ones, but most of these will get their own video. We have geologic units here. So this is where we can assign our different rock types, but there will be a separate video on that. Here we can put in some simple notes. So this is just text, and that will save automatically as we go back, and you can see it's populated here. Then we have our compass. This is where we collect measurements. There's a separate video on that as well. Camera. This is where we can take our photos. And then we have tags, but we can also customize this page. So if I press more at the bottom there, and if I'm the sort of geologist that's out there working on metamorphic rocks and shear zones, I can turn these tabs on. And if I go back here, I now have these two new symbols at the bottom. And these relate to metamorphic rocks and shear zones, and they have fields that I can fill in that relate to that and use that vocabulary. If I'm not a metamorphic geologist, I can scroll down and turn on some of the ones related to sedimentology, if that's what I'm doing. And this might look a bit different in the future as more of these pages are implemented into the app. So you can customize this however you like. We can also have other features here, and you can customize that as well. But you can turn on and off whatever you like, and that will be your notebook view when you collect your data. Thanks.